Okay, we are here in our lovely bakery in our kitchen. We are our Mary&May bakers. Bakers, what is the professional word for a baker? We are pâtissiers today. Pâtissier 1 through 6. Okay, and we are making
butter cookies.
Mary&May butter cookies. The recipe is it's a secret, okay? But if you look carefully, you might be able to pick up a couple of details.
It's been clear to me.
So we have our ingredients. We have our lovely gear.
Yes.
Gear. Are we ready to go?
Yes.
All right, let's make some cookies.
Grams of flour, 4 eggs, 400 grams of sugar, 8 grams of salt, and 4 grams of vanilla extract. The last but not least, here we have 560 grams of butter. We hope.
That's the hope, guys. A joke. So now we put the dough in the fridge and we have to wait about 30 minutes for it to cool down so we can put the cutters. And now we've also just warmed up the oven over there. Baking time!
How about some Nigerian dessert that you would like to introduce to us?
So we have this like kind of cookie, like a hard cookie snack called chin chin.
Chin chin?
Yes, and it's actually kind of, it's not similar to a butter cookie, I lied. But you kind of make the dough and you cut it into these cute little shapes and then you fry it. And it comes out like a hard sweet cracker kind of thing.
Oh.
It's a labor of love. First of all, again, all with your hands, but it's so delicious. And you can just make like a big, like, kind of like a bucket of it. That's what we do in my house. We just make like a giant bowl of it and we just eat it throughout like the weekends.
Mejor, pasta frola, dulce de leche.
¡Dulce de leche!
Ajá. 3 leches, también torta de 3 leches, tiramisú, hay un montón. 엄청 많아요.
In India, people really like gulab jamun.
You know,
It's delicious. It's delicious. It's like famous in Pakistan too, in India too. I think all over South Asia because it's like yummiest dessert that people eat it in their weddings and everywhere. It's expensive to buy.
Oh, okay.
But it's very hard to make.
Okay.
Honey cake is called medavik.
Yeah,
it's very tasty. Actually, we have the Russian cake store in Baltimore. So whenever you would like to try, we can go there all together.
Hi, we're back and these are done now.
Woo!
Yeah!
We're gonna move on to
Stamping the shapes. So we got quite a few actually.
very exciting things here. We have Mary&May cookie cutters. Okay, and they're in the shapes of some of our favorite products.
Do you know what these are?
Can you guess? Leave them in the comments below. Just kidding. Okay, so let's get to stamping.
Yes. Ready?
Yes!
Let's go.
It's a donut. It's a sheet mask. How cute.
Oh yeah, and then you fold over.
So we're back with Neka. We're gonna talk about Mary&May now.
Sure. Yeah, we're making Mary&May cookies.
Neka, what is your favorite Mary&May product?
Oh, she brought it.
It would be the Idebenon+Blackberry complex, the sheet mask. It is filled with antioxidant goodness and it also has 4 different serums of ours. So you can get like all around care. Brightening, soothing care, anti-aging care, hydration. And the sheet is made of bamboo charcoal. So it's got like this luxurious feeling when you put it on your face.
It's very different. It actually
It sticks like right on your face.
It's just
so
a
good.
very thin towel. It feels like that actually.
When I'm feeling like I want a premium experience.
I love this cream, Idebenon. You know what? Because before I do my makeup, I put it on my face and it gives me like a 10-layer moisture and 48 moisture effect. It doesn't
Dry out
dry
your
your skin. And the makeup is not patchy. I use it as a primer.
Oh, I see.
And
That's really good.
And also it has like a very good properties. For example, it has Idebenon, which is 4 times stronger and more antioxidant than vitamin C. And it also like 10 times better than coenzyme. Blackberry complex. It has anti-aging properties and it also like very helpful for like future.
2,000 years later.
Currently, my favorite Mary&May product is our Idebenon.
Why?
Oh, well, I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, so I need this for all those spots on my cheeks. And also, I have dark circles, so very good for that.
It's good for hyperpigmentation.
This is really helpful because it's got TXA, glutathione, niacinamide, and vitamin C. I will apply here, and then like on the spots on my cheeks, I don't really go spot by spot. I just like kind of rub the leftovers from here down, and I think that really helps me with like overall brightness on my skin.
It's Suncream.
Why?
I really love it because constantly I'm using SPF every day, even in winter time. And this one especially I love because it's very lightweight and it suits my skin whenever it's irritated. If it's winter or summer, it always perfectly suits my skin type. And I also like that whenever I'm using that I can apply any foundation or cushion and it's not going to be like this kind of
Greasy.
yeah,
Greasy
so it's
makeup.
absolutely perfect as a base for makeup.
Do you think, does it have white cast?
No, not at all.
Very nice. SPF
50.
Protector solar de barra. Lo mejor.
period.
¿Por qué? Porque a diferencia de otros protector solar de otra marca, este protector solar de barra contiene efecto anti-envejecimiento. No solamente protege del sol, sino protege la piel también. Tiene efecto skincare. Efecto.
Hermosas.
2 en 1.
Sí.
Perfecto.
Period.
Es muy bueno.
Es muy bueno.
Es muy bueno. Además, es muy práctico. Miren. No, estamos.
Here we have put on the sector.
Sí, además es violetita que es tan tierno y hermoso. Yo ya lo voy a usar.
Thank you. Gracias.
Ajá. Es súper práctico. Amo, amo, amo.
And now I'm gonna talk about my favorite product. I was the laziest skincare person ever, and then this changed my life forever because it's actually so easy to use. I didn't expect it to be this lightweight, but also so hydrating. There was this one time I actually forgot to bring my cream, and I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go through the day just with this. And it actually was very hydrating. It's like hydrating enough for the whole day. So yeah, it has a blackberry complex in it. It helps you to like fix the skin barrier because you can have a really bad skin barrier, especially when it's really dry. So, for you dry skin babies, save yourself. This is what you need. You're welcome. Bye. Now we're done. That was so fun, wasn't it? So these are the cookies that we made. These are the butter cookies that we're talking about. We decorated them very well. Artists. And then out here are like Mary&May products and also some random shapes like the bear and the heart and this big heart is like we love Mary&May. And then we also made some muffins. Ooh. And a special appearance. It's actually, do you want to guess if it's like Matryoshka or Snowman? Leave a comment below which one you think it is or which one would you defend that what it is. And then now we're just gonna box it and we're gonna bring it home and eat it. And share with our friends and family. Thank you for watching everyone! This has been Mary&May Connect.